5 Ridge Lodge. This beautiful 130-acre, family-owned property for 30 years is a recreational paradise in northern Michigan. A secluded setting for this custom-built lodge features a private pond with a beach and fountain and a 3-car garage with a finished upstairs guest area. The expansive deck overlooks the peaceful manicured yard and includes a walkout lower level. A great room has gorgeous views out of every window. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom lodge includes handcrafted solid oak and hardwood throughout. The expansive kitchen area provides abundant storage and space for families to gather. The setting is the perfect habitat for whitetail deer, turkey, and other wildlife. The property includes acres of rolling terrain, mature hardwoods, towering oaks, red pine, and young growth poplar are the perfect surroundings for hunting. A groomed trail system throughout the property offers recreational fun all year long. Perfectly located, the lodge is close to the Muskegon River, Pere Marquette Rail Trail, and hundreds of acres of state forest land. 5 Ridge Lodge has it all. Peaceful private location, acres of prime hunting and recreational land. A perfect getaway destination to enjoy your own private up-north living year-round. For more information and a private qualified showing, please call David Vincent at 231-498-3535.